Hi there, here's few things to be on lookout for when you are in the clearance section in the garden center and you feel like you want to spend a little bit of money.
So first thing we're looking out for is any dead, diseased or damaged plants, stems, leaves. So for example, this hydrangea, seen better days, this is dead, definitely does need some watering. But if you see inside, you see there is some dead and damaged branching, which we can just easily snip off, but there is new growth. And hydrangea being a perennial, it's a nice shrub. It will come back easily, and next year it will start to have new shoots. Another thing to look out for would be the root of the plant. This clematis, although it looks like it's still flowering, it's got nice green leaves, but if you look at the very bottom, you see the root and the plant is dead. So once these will dry out, that's it for the plant. So probably better not to spend your money on this comparing to this one. This one's got some dried leaves, petals, flowers, but down here at the root you see there is new growth. So I would rather spend my money on this. And clematis is a climber, it's a perennial again, so it will come back. This plant basket though, it's got plenty of different varieties. So it's got pelargonium, which as you can see, it's got nice growth. Leaves are fine, so if you just chop off the spent flowers, they'll be fine and it will grow next year again, provided that you cover it for the winter. Greenery, that's an annual, that will be gone soon, so you can chop it off. Those nice pinks, again chop off the dead spent flowers and it will grow. Hopefully, depending on where you are in the world, it might regrow next year. In some places it's an annual, in some places it's a perennial, so try your luck. And then we have verbena in here, which if you cut it again, it will act just like those pinks, so it might regrow. Try your luck. And I also wanted to talk about the Viola mix. Once these flowers are all spent, it does have new growth, so it will continue growing this year and then that's it. And there's a photo of your violas, very cheap and cheerful. So yeah, try your luck. I think it's worth paying £2 for a little bit of colour, although it's very short-lived.
I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, also like the video if it gave you any value, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!